Start with an in-depth consultation to best assess your client's hair type and needs. Diagnose their hair texture and condition to create their personalised copyright care regime. Apply firm hold curl cream followed by volume lift spray mousse from the roots to the ends of the hair. To start the cut, take a profile parting from the forehead to the nape. Then take 2 slight diagonal sections from the occipital bone to the middle of the ears. Comb the hair to its natural fall, hold at 1 finger's depth, and reshape the baseline squarely using the razor. Take another slight diagonal section to the top of the ears. Comb the hair to its natural fall and slice the hair from the bottom up using the guide from the previous section. Continue with the same technique until the center parting is reached. Take 2 curved sections along the top and below the crown to isolate the top area. Starting at the front hairline, work with horizontal sections. Comb and elevate the hair to 90 degrees to the top of the head and slice through squarely to remove weight from the top. Continue working with the same technique towards the back until all sections are complete. Using a TIGI Pro small paddle brush, wrap dry the roots of the hair to give lift. Smooth the cuticle working from the nape towards the top. To create movement, twist each section vertically towards the face throughout the whole head. Loosen the shape with the fingers. Complete the look with volume finishing spray.